Hello students, welcome back. So today I'm going to discuss about the backup types. So in my previous video where I demonstrated what the backup is, what is the importance of backup. So now today I'm going to take you through the important backup types. So basically what kind of backups can be a good strategy for your IT infrastructure. So let's get started. So type of backups. So when we talk about backups, the first one, or we can say a very common one, is full backup, where we take backup of everything. Like if you have one folder, you have hundreds of folder, you have 1 GB, you have 1 TB, 1 PB data, you take full backup. Then comes incremental backup, and then come differential backup. So how do we achieve these backups, and what are the differences between these backup types? Let's discuss about it. So let's say we have data that has to be backed up. So either we can create a full backup copy of this data, or we can create full backup with incremental backups or with differential backups. So that means now with full backup, we have two set of backup types. One is incremental and one is incremental and differential. So let's discuss these two one after another. So when we talk about incremental backup is a kind of backup where, as name suggests, increments to the changes are saved. So let's say like you have a full backup on day one, then there are few changes, maybe one file or hundreds of files are updated on day two, then those changes will be saved in day two. Then day three changes, then day four changes, then day five changes. So this is how these changes will be only saved. So not everything is saved, because you have a full backup copy from day one, and day one onwards only changes are getting saved day wise. This can be hourly basis also, based on your backup strategy requirement. But here I'm giving example that every day we are backing up increments to the changes of the data, and then day 6 changes. So this is a usual strategy, that let's say you are taking backup every Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you are again keeping incremental changes, and then again next repetition can be on Saturday, or you keep it standard. Let's say every Sunday you are taking full backup, and then you are having 7 days 6 days of incremental backups. So this is how it is, and then again full backup, and then it keeps going like this. So this is what is incremental backup. So now example here I'm going to take is, let's say if something went wrong on day 6 changes, then how you will restore your data. So in order to restore your data, you would need full backup copy, and then all last completely saved incremental backup. So that means if you lost data from the day 6, then you have to restore your full backup along with day 2, 3, 4 and 5 incremental backups. All these set of copies are needed. So that is what is incremental backup. So incremental backup is, the we can say its pros is that it saves your storage space, because you are only just taking full backup, and then only changes are getting saved every day. But the restore process is complicated, because you would need all the full incremental backups from the restore point. So here our restore point will be day 5, because day 6 is cropped. So then you need all this set of backup. So this is what is incremental backup. Now we will discuss about differential backup. So differential backup is somewhat what we just discussed, but like in a different way. So like here again, we keep a full backup for day 1, and then next day, day 1, there is a increment to the changes. But when we go to day 2, then what it does is it keep increments to day 1, as well as it will keep new changes to day 2. So this is how it keep retaining all increments from day 1 till the day we are keeping it before we take another full backup copy. So this is how it works. So here what we saw is, just you see, day 1 changes, then day 2 has day 1 and day 2 changes, day 3 has day 1, 2 and 3 changes, then all the 4 days changes, 5 days changes, until we go for the next full backup cycle. Now in differential backup, however, bit more disk space is consumed, but it is also coming up with some advantages. So let's take the example now. Let's say something went wrong on day 5 and you have to restore everything until day 4. So then what do you need? Do you need now full backup with day 1, 2, 3, 4 like incremental backups? No. Here we just need two backup copies. One is your full backup copy and one is your day 4 backup copy, because it has everything that was changed after full backup till day 4. So that means this bunch and this bunch. So one full backup and last differential backup is required to restore the backup till your restore point. So this is what is differential backup. So the pro is that it's easy to restore because there are no dependency on every day, every hour. But like the con is that there is bit more space is required, because let's say if you are having heavy databases, heavy backups you are running, then it will be accumulating all the data that is being changed after your full backup. So this was just a small overview about the backup types, incremental backup and differential backup. And in continuation to the series, next I will be demonstrating about a few important commands. Thank you for listening to my video tutorial. Please do like and share to the social media about my video tutorial if you like it. Also do subscribe my channel. Just click on the subscribe button, then on the drop down here you can select all options so that this bell icon is enabled and you can get notified about my all new videos. And also if you like, you can add comments here, like let's say if you have any questions like what is for example virtualization, then you can just ask this question here, and then I will be trying to answer it. And also do not forget to be a member of my WhatsApp group and my weekend sessions. So see you around. Thank you very much.